Have you ever accidentally swallowed a mouthful of seawater at the beach? Yuck, right? It's incredibly salty, but have you ever stopped to wonder why? Why are oceans full of salts, but the rivers that flow into them aren't? It's a great question, and the answer is a story that's been unfolding for billions of years. It all starts with rain. When rain falls on land, it's not pure water. It actually picks up a little carbon dioxide from the air, making it slightly acidic. Don't worry, it's not acid rain. It's just a tiny bit acidic, like a very, very weak lemonade. As this rainwater flows over rocks and soil on its way to rivers, that slight acidity works like a very slow, hintless solvent. It dissolves tiny amounts of minerals from the rocks. These dissolved minerals are called salts, with sodium chloride, regular table salt, being the most common one. So, all these rivers, carrying their tiny load of dissolved salts, are constantly flowing into the ocean. You might be thinking, wait, if rivers are carrying salts, why don't they taste salty? That's because the concentration is super low. It's like adding one tiny grain of salt to a huge glass of water. You wouldn't even notice it. But the oceans are a different story. For millions, even billions of years, rivers have been dumping these salts into the sea. Now, think about what happens to the water in the ocean. The sun heats it up, and it evaporates, turning into water vapor and eventually forming clouds and rain again. This is the water cycle. Here's the key part. When the water evaporates, it leaves all the salt and minerals behind. So, you have a constant delivery of new salts from rivers and a constant removal of fresh water through evaporation. Over an immense amount of time, this process has made the ocean saltier and saltier, concentrating those minerals to the levels we taste today. There's another source, too. Hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, which are like underwater geysers, spew out hot, mineral-rich water from deep within the earth, adding even more dissolved solids to the mix. So the next time you're at the beach, you can think about how the salt in that water has been on an incredible journey from ancient rocks down rivers and concentrated over eons by the power of the sun. It's a salty reminder of how connected everything on our planet really is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little science dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more curious questions. See you next time!